I'm gonna be an astronaut.
It's time to stop! It's time to stop, okay? No more! Where the fuck are your parents? Who are your parents? I'm gonna call Child Protective Services. It's time to stop!
So what is up, guys? It's the Doge Gamer here, back with another video, and I got your comments. I'm making a video. I'm sorry for not posting because I smoked some of that weed, that kush, so I kind of lost my phone for about 2 months. So that sucked. But you know what? Here I am making another video. I was up till 11 just to get this footage for you guys, because you guys don't know how much it made me care when I saw those comments and the view count and my subscribers. Even though it was very little, I was very appreciative of it, and I loved that. So let's just get into the video. So I clicked empty project, okay, because you don't need the project assistant, and then you want to import a video. So let me get one quick. I don't really have any, so let me just get one real quick. I have a failed recording. Here it is. I'll just use this one. So go to the beginning, or wherever you want to go, I guess, and play it for a little bit, and then select what you want to edit, I guess. I just can't believe you guys even cared. It's just so mind-blowing. So, I didn't really know. I just tried to go over as many things as I could in this video, so if you need something specific, just ask. This is my longest video ever, coming in at 18 minutes. So, you want to click on the red thing to add stamps, so you know where to go. So click on the trim, and then click split, and then you can split and then delete the video in the middle. I'll show what I mean later on, because right now it's not working for me. So you can trim to the right, you can add transition effects with that, and you can shorten it. So as you can see, I can shorten it. There's many things you can do. I can go into here again. I can extract the audio if I want to. I can split and insert a freeze frame. What else can I do? I can go to my layers. I can add some effects, as you can see right there. I can go into media. Hold up. Yeah, I can go into media, and I can click on the green screen effects. So this is what you need to get your green screen effects. God darn, it's not working. Hold on. Try a different one. Here we go. So Philly Frank says it's time. So what you want to do is you want to zoom in just a little. Zoom in. So it's to where you think it fits. And then you want to go into you want to play it. As you can see, you can't really see anything because it has the green screen on. You can't see what's behind you, and you don't want that. You want to be able to see your video. So we're gonna fix that. So we're gonna go to Chroma Key. We're gonna click Enable. And whoosha-gaboo, now it's see-through, and now you can play video in perfect harmony, I guess. That's my good old boy, Filthy Frank. You can also control clip speed, which can be helpful. As you can see, it plays normally. Filthy Frank duplicates himself. I hope my audio sounds good. As I said, you can shorten things. You can expand things. Like you shorten things to make it go slower, and then you expand them to go faster. But you expand and shorten them so you can get really precise with what you want to edit out. And it really helps you go slow so you can get the exact timing perfectly when you want to edit something. So it can be really helpful. So you can trim to the left or right of the playhead. So that's where that little red thing, you can trim to the right of it, or you can trim to the left of it, depending on what you edit out. This feature comes in handy quite a lot. If you ask me, I use it a lot. So you can import audio. You can import media. Like say I just want to import a video, just that on top of it. I certainly can do that by zooming it in, so video just pops up. which is pretty nice. I can move it around and stuff. I then can play the video. Also I can insert, like, as you can see, that's gonna pop out of nowhere. See, just wait, never mind. I screwed it up. Hold up. What the hell? Yeah. So as you can see, it just pops out of nowhere. What am I doing? I can't. Okay, yeah. Never mind. So go to media, and then wait. Okay. So you wanna click on this. You wanna click on the video. Again, you can split and split it into the freeze frame. So let me show you that real quick. So you're gonna split it into the frame frame. So it's gonna capture where it is. So look, now it has a still moving picture. So look, you can click the transitions like I showed you before. So look, now it's gonna be moving. Then it's just gonna freeze there. And then continue the video after the thing. You can shorten this and whatnot, expand it, have it as long as you want. I don't really care. This comes in handy if you want to do this, like, comedical freezes and stuff. You can also delete it if you don't want it. You just hit the back of it too. Whichever floats your boat. So then if you want to make an ear effect, you want to go to volume and pull it up. So as you can see, the audio just spikes up. I'm showing you that right now. Up, I mean down, up. So you want to put it at the highest setting. So then basically what you want to do next is you want to click on not filter. I mean audio. Damn it, what the hell is it? No, wrong thing. I'm lost. You want to go to, yeah, there. You want to go to the thing and turn it all the way up. Just turn it all the way up. Now, you want to save the video after you do this, and then you want to keep doing this over and over until you get the desired effect. Okay, that's what you gotta do. That's basically how you do an ear rape effect. And if I didn't explain it good enough, you can just certainly go online and search up a real good one. So we're gonna continue on with the video. This is the longest video I've ever done. So then you can trim to the right, which shows it, as you can see right there. You can move the thing around in case you want to put it in a different place. You can also do this with audio. Yeah, but wait, there's more. But wait. So this is if you want to do the ear rape zoom in effect. You know how it starts the ear rape and it zooms in. So you want to go to the cropping and you want to zoom in to the thing. Like, say I want to zoom in on that. You don't want to keep it equal. No, don't do that unless you want to have it like a sudden effect. If you don't keep it equal, then it's gonna zoom in slowly. So look, don't keep it equal. It zooms in slowly, as you will see in a minute. As you can see, it slowly zooms in. Fairly slowly to where I selected the cropping to be. So then click back on it, and then if you want to have like a sudden zoom in, like it just starts and zooms in, you want to click equal. But first, we're gonna have to split it. So let's just split it at the playhead. As you see right there, it's zoomed in already, but you want to go to color filter, and you want to change the ear rape color effect, or whatever color effect you want. But I like to do this one because it really gets that ear rape feel. So then you want to like zoom in, and then make it equal. Press the equal button. So then you want to click done, and then look, press it. It will zoom in, and then that's what it looks like with the other one. Just goes in immediately, and it has that effect. So that's basically how you do an ear rape effect. Pretty nice. And at the end of the video, I have some footage for you that's just gonna show you me editing this video. This video is a pain. It's like freaking 18 minutes. So, guys, I just want to say thank you again. I can't thank you enough for encouraging me. You guys really encouraged me to make this video. Without you, I was just ready to give up when I heard those comments. It was insane. Okay, it was insane. So you're gonna make some anime. You wanna go into your media and insert it? Not like that. Not like that. I screwed it up. You wanna go to the media layer. Then, say I want to insert something. Darn it. You wanna go back like to the picture if you want, and then see it right there. So then you wanna click on it, and then get rid of all that stuff because we don't really need it, and then we're gonna pull it there. So then we're gonna click on it. We're gonna click on that little key thing. That's the anime thing. You wanna press add and then move it to where you want it to go. Now, in this clip, I'm kind of confused because I'm just kind of being an idiot right here. I don't know what the hell I'm doing, so that's that. But as you can see, it moves. Let me just remove that zoom effect because it might be confusing you. But main thing is, it moves. Okay, it moves. See, look. Now I equaled it out for you, so now you can see that it moves, which is pretty nice, if you do ask me. And then you can keep doing this. So once you do it, once you add it, you want to move it and then add it. Not like I'm doing right now, because I really screwed up. I didn't know what I was doing. I've been a little rusty because I've been away for a while. But then recently I figured out what I was doing wrong. I'm just being a total idiot here. Yeah, basically. And you can also control the clip speed, so you can decide how fast you want it to go, which is pretty cool, if you ask me. Well, we're almost at the end of the video. Been recording for a long. This has been a long thing. I guess you can count this as my 54th subscriber special. So as you can see, it moves and stuff, which is pretty cool. You can also select what you want it to do, animation, like effects, zoom in, like middle way, stuff like that. Let me talk about quick, because I kind of just started doing this audio as soon as I got home because I wanted it to be quiet and nice and not have to redo it because this is very tedious, long video. Talking to this mic for about like 13 minutes now, so. But I wanted to put a lot of effort into this video because you guys encouraged me. Even though it was only 2 comments that told me to make videos, it didn't matter. That meant a lot. If things have been heard, I will indeed make more videos. So, you can also duplicate it if you want. So, this is basically it. I'm going to show you guys some clips of me editing in a minute. I just want to say, guys, thank you again. It meant so much. So great that people even cared, you know? Really means a lot. I hope the audio sounds good. Put a lot of effort into this, so, you know. Just, yeah, I hope this guy's helped you out. If you need anything, don't use me editing.